Hainan gibbon. Hainan Island, China, around 30 individuals. Deforestation and habitat fragmentation. Yangtze giant softshell turtle. Freshwater ecosystems in China and Vietnam, only 3 known individuals. Habitat degradation and hunting. Kakapo, flightless parrot. Islands of New Zealand, around 250 individuals. Predation by introduced species and low reproduction rates. Saola, Asian unicorn. Annamite mountains of Laos and Vietnam, fewer than 100 individuals. Poaching and habitat loss. Hawksbill sea turtle. Tropical oceans worldwide, declining, exact numbers unknown. Poaching for shells, climate change, and habitat destruction.